Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. I have my good buddy Chris here, and we want to talk about the National Stop the Bleed Day coming March 31st. We've got a great opportunity for you guys to come take a free class that's going to ultimately may save a life.
Absolutely. And we're hosting it here at Greenville Technical College here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're very lucky. Greenville Technical College, the EMT and paramedic training program, our students are well versed in this, and we decided we want to do something in the upstate, and free training, good training, life-saving training. Traumatic injuries are the #1 preventable death of Americans under age 46. So here we are. I mean, we're trying to do our part, and 100% free, 1 hour of your life, and you come out, you learn 3 life-saving skills: tourniquets, wound packing, direct pressure and pressure dressings to stop the bleed.
And this is for an average person who's not in the healthcare field, works a normal 9-to-5 job, school teacher, office worker, whatever your job is. This is for you to come help save a life. We've been a huge push for CPR. We know that saves lives. And now putting on tourniquets, stopping the bleeding, keeping the red stuff on the inside is ultimately just as important to save a life.
Yep, oh, absolutely. And we know the data out there for CPR bystander CPR contributes to increased survival and out-of-hospital cardiac arrest. And this is the same thing, whether you have an accident at home, you have an accident at work, you witness an accident, someone get hit by a car wreck, you just be able to know what to do in those bleeding situations, those life-threatening hemorrhage situations. Simple stuff, and come on out here. About 35 to 40 minutes of a presentation about the basics of bleeding control, and the remainder of the time for about an hour to the 90 minutes left. Guys, we'll do all hands-on. We'll put you through until you feel comfortable and you walk out of here. We'll answer all your questions. We'll have enough facilitators and faculty on staff. You should leave here feeling pretty confident, empowered. Next thing for you to do, step up and stop the bleed.
So we would love to have you to our class, but if you're not, you can't get to Greenville, South Carolina, where's some other places they can go to find, because this is a national day, so you should be able to find one locally for you.
National Day, March 31st is now termed National Stop the Bleed Day. Saturday this year in 2018. Hopefully it's going to go on every year after. You can look for any of your community papers. Ours is being hosted on Eventbrite. You can go onto Eventbrite and search your city, local towns. Look for the healthcare classes, free classes. It's all out there. Your community service type papers, newsletters, homeowners associations, stuff like that. Or you can go directly to bleedingcontrol.org and search the classes. You put in your town, your zip code, and it'll give you a list of local courses. It may not all be on the 31st. We kind of looked and saw that a lot of people said, I really can't do the 31st. Locally up here in the southeast, that starts spring break for a lot of our school kids. So they said, man, we're going out of town. So we extended that out for the whole week. So starting on the 24th through the 31st, it'll be all the Stop the Bleed stuff. They should be free. That's what we've kind of put out there. Asked to do the free training. There are paid courses out there, but for that week, and especially on the 31st, look for the free ones. Those are the ones who are supporting the big campaign. Go for it. Look on it. Look for the events through Facebook, all social media. It's out there. We're out there putting it everywhere we can.
Yeah, so I'll put a link down below if you want to come sign up for one of our courses. There's different start times. We just need to know who's coming, so we'll be prepared for that. But I'll put a link down below for you guys. So I appreciate you guys watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.